All right, for the rest of these statistics, I'm just going to do a quick recap video for all three of these last skills. So remember that the law of large numbers says the more trials I do, the closer my experimental probability, which is what each of these is describing, should get to this theoretical, right? So theoretically, I should have 16%. If I have a large number of rolls, such as in B or C, this percentage should be really close to this one. So you can see one of those is close, one of them isn't. So it would be extremely unlikely that they wouldn't be pretty close to matching after 100 rolls or so, 50 rolls or so. Now this first one is a small number of trials, right? So it doesn't apply. My law of large numbers doesn't apply. I shouldn't expect my theoretical and experimental probability necessarily to match. So this is still possible even though they don't match. Down here, an observational study is just observing, right, and not purposefully changing something or assigning people to groups or testing them for something specific. So if I'm just asking for information, that's observing. So a plain survey is an observational study. An experiment, you're changing something, you have a variable and a control, right, and you're actually trying to determine something. A sample and a population. The population is the whole group in question. So it could be something like all Americans or all high school students or all children ages 6 to 9. Or it could just be like all students at Soulsville. A sample is the small group that's actually surveyed or tested or in the experiment, right? So the people that are actually surveyed would be your sample.